Good morning, students. Welcome back to the online class. Okay, so in the previous video we started negative sentences, and in that we studied already simple present tense negative sentences. Okay, how we make negative sentence in simple present tense. Okay, so now today we will start simple past tense. Okay, so before starting this topic, I want to tell you one thing. I have already uploaded one essay. Please download it and write it. Okay, I hope all have done the definitions. I have already uploaded the definitions. So please, students, uh, essay I have uploaded one essay there, the utility of the trees, and you download it and complete it. Okay, after the phrases and clauses definitions you can complete essay. Okay, I hope you understood till phrases and clauses. Till lesson 3 already I have given definitions and examples. Okay, after this chapter, after third chapter, you will do essay, the utility of the trees, and write it properly. And after writing this, you learn and revise your chapters. Okay, so let's start the topic simple past tense. So how we make negative sentence in simple past tense? Okay, in the previous video we already I taught you that simple present tense, how we form the negative sentences of simple present tense. Okay, and what is negative sentence I already taught you. You can revise it. Okay, now simple past tense. So here, as you can see, I have written here subject, and in simple past tense we use did not. Okay, we use did not. Here again verb base form. It's just we I have written here. It's mean it is verb. Base form of the verb. I told you that day. It is on page number 86, I think. I told you just revise it. Okay, you read again and again all the forms of verb. I hope many are doing this. Okay. So in simple past tense, this is the structure, subject, and we use in the negative sentences did not, then verb base form, and then object. Okay, with the examples we will understand how to do. Okay, so first example I am writing here. He came very late. So first example I am writing here. So he came very late. Okay, this is the positive or affirmative sentence of simple past tense. Okay, in simple past tense, in affirmative we use second form of the verb. Okay, in detail I just that day also I told you in the previous video, tense chapter is given in your book. In detail we will study there. Okay, right now we will study about the negative sentences. Okay, so here as you can see, I have written one example. He came very late. This is positive sentence of simple past tense. Positive or affirmative sentence of simple past tense. Okay. Now this how we change into negative, that I am going to tell you. How we change into negative, that I am going to tell you. Okay. So this is the structure of the negative sentence. How do we change into simple past tense, that we are going to do. So this is the positive sentence, and this positive or affirmative sentence I'll change into negative. Okay. So here, according the subject, we will write the subject he. Okay. Now came, in affirmative of simple past tense we use the second form of the verb. Okay. But when we change into negative, that will be according this. He did not. Okay. He did not. Now this is the, where is the verb here? Came is the verb now. So I hope that is why I told you prepare the forms of verb. Okay, this is the second form of verb. Come, came, come. First form is come, second form is came, and the third form is come. Okay, so here we will write the base form come. Okay, here we will write the base form come. Did not come. Very late. Okay, so this is the negative sentence I have made here. This is the negative sentence I have made here. Okay, so in the negative sentence of simple past tense we use did not, subject did not, verb base form and object. Clear? Now another example I am writing. He wrote a letter or she wrote a letter. And one more thing I want to tell you, in simple past tense with all the subjects we use only. In the affirmative we use the second form of verb, and in negative with all the person, all the subjects we use did not. Did not, okay, did not and verb base form. Okay, with all the that in the simple present we were we use there does not. Okay, do not with I, we, you, they. Do not, more than one name, do not. Okay, he, she, it, one name, does not. But here with all the persons, with all the subjects we use second form of the verb in the positive, and in the negative we use did not with all the person. Here if I write he, she, it, they, Ravi, Rahul and Ravi, whatever the subjects will be here, we use only did not. Clear? So another I am writing here, she wrote a letter. This is the another example of positive. Okay. Again we will follow the same structure, and here with all the persons, with all the subjects I, we, you, they, he, she, it, one name, more than one name, two name, three name, we use did not. Okay, so here it will be she did not, she did not. Again just this is the second form is given, no, second form of the verb is given here, and we use in the negative, we use in the negative always first form of the verb or base form of the verb with, okay, she did not. So what will be the base form of the verb? What is the first form of wrote? Wrote is the second form. What will be the first form of wrote? Write. Okay, so she did not write a letter. Okay, she did not write a letter, so this will be the negative. Okay, okay, clear, no? So this is the structure of simple past tense, in how we change into negative. Okay, and here are the examples I have written. I hope you understood this. One more example I am writing. She sang a song. Okay, one more example I am writing here. This is again positive sentence. Again it is positive or affirmative. Okay. So when we change into negative, what will be the answer? Answer will be she did not. She did not. Okay. What is the first form or base form of sang? Base form of sang, that is sing. Sing a song. Okay. This is a negative. We have formed here negative. Okay. Another, I am writing another example. They played football. Okay. They played football. So here will be they did not. Played, first form will be, base form will be play. Did not play football. Okay. Okay. So many examples already I wrote here and I hope you understood this. Okay. Main thing we have to remember, okay, in simple present also and in simple past, in both. Okay. In simple present also and in simple past, this is the structure of simple past. So in short I can say, just wait. Okay. It's mean with, do, does, did. Okay. With do, does, did. We use not and verb base form. Okay. Base form. Clear? In short I have written. So with do, does, did. Not verb base form. Okay. In both simple present and in simple past both. In simple present and simple past both, structure will be like this. In simple present we use do, does when we make the negative. We use do, does in simple present when we make the negative, and we used it in simple past tense. Okay. But structure will be like that. With do, does, did, we use not and verb base form only. Okay. Verb base form we will use in simple present also and in simple past also. Clear? One example I am writing here of simple present and simple past example. Already I have written one simple present example I will write here. So the very first example I am writing here, that day I write a letter. Okay, I'm writing, you can revise it, you just recall it. Okay, what we studied in the previous video. So I write a letter. This is the example of simple present tense. Here will be when we change into I, do or does, with I, we, you, they, more than one name. What will be there? Do. So I do not write a letter. Okay. I do not write a letter. Clear? So in simple present we use do, does. In simple past we use did. Okay. This will be the same in simple present also and simple past also. Here with all the subjects we use did. With all the subjects. Okay. And here with I, we, you, they, more than one name, plural names, we use do. With he, she, it, and one name we use does. Okay. Rest will be the same. Okay. I have written one example also here. You can see this is the example of simple present tense. And this one is the example of simple past tense. Okay. I hope it is clear. Okay. Those who have not completed the work, please complete it. Complete in your copy. And again I am telling you, essay I have already uploaded. Please download it and complete your work. Okay. After this, I am going to start present continuous tense and past continuous tense. Okay. So, okay. 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 So here it will be again subject, then is, am, are. Okay, we use is, am, are. Okay, is, am, are, not. And in continuous tenses, present continuous tense, we use ing form of the verb. Okay, ing form like play, playing, go, going, come, coming, sing, singing. Okay, ing form of the verb. So after that, verb ing form. Okay, and object. And then object. Okay. So structure will be subject, is, am, are. I am telling of the negative sentence, how we make into present continuous tense. Okay. Subject, is, am, are according the person, and then not, verb ing form, and then object. Okay. So here you already know with I we use am, he, she, it is. Okay. We, you, they, plural names are. Okay, that is already you know. Okay. So the first example I am writing, I am going home. I am going home. Okay. I am going home. Clear? So this example I have written of positive. Positive example I am writing here. I am reading a book. She is reading a book. Okay. I am playing football. I am going home. Okay. They are playing football. Okay. Ravi is writing a letter. Okay. So these according we use he, she, it. One name is with I. We use am. I am. Okay. We, you, they, are. We use are. Okay. And rest of the things will be the same. So now this positive sentence I have written here. I am going home. This is the positive or affirmative sentence. How we change into negative structure I have already written. According that we will follow. Okay. I am not going home. So that will be I am not going home. In this way, we'll make negative sentence from the positive. Okay, this is the negative I have written here. So, I am going home. I am going home. So, when we change into negative, it will be I am not going home. According the structure, I, according the subject I have used here, am, then not, ing form, going, then object, home. Okay. So I am I am not going home. Another example I am writing here. She is reading a book. So am example already I have written. Now I am taking with is. Okay. She is reading a book. So this is the positive sentence. How we change into negative? We'll follow the structure. What is the subject here? She. Subject she, then we'll use is. After is not, then it will be the same. She is not reading a book. Okay? She is not reading a book. Now another example I am writing is example I have written. Am example I have written. Now take the example of are. Okay? So another example I am writing here. They are playing football. Okay. Now I have used here. They are playing football. So when we change into negative, what will be the answer? That will be they are, then not, then ing form, playing, okay, then football. Clear? They are not playing football. Okay. So with is example I have already written, am example written, are example also written. Clear? So in this way we will change into negative. We will change positive sentences into negative in present continuous tense. Okay. I hope this much is clear. Okay. So in present continuous tense we follow this structure. Okay. Where we use is, where we use am, where we use are. Already I told you. With I we use am. With he, she, it. One name is we, you, they. Plural names are. Rest will be the same. Okay. So I hope it is clear now. Okay. Now let's start with the past continuous tense. Okay. So I'm not going to change much. Here it will be past. Okay. And here it will be was, were. Okay. Rest will be the same. Okay. Rest will be the same. Okay. Rest will be the same. And let me change the examples here. Here examples. I am going to change. Okay. So here will be in past continuous tense. Here will be was or were according the person. Okay. According the subject. So with they we use were. With they we use were. So they were playing football. Here will be they were not playing football. Okay. Another example I am writing here. I was reading a book. I was reading a book. So, I was reading a book. This example I am writing now. So, we will follow the same. I was and then What will be the answer? I was not. Okay, I was not reading a book. Okay, I was not reading a book. So this is the structure of past continuous tense, and here I have written the examples. Okay, so I hope it is clear. One more example I am going to write here. One more example I am going to. So one more example I am writing. They were plucking flowers. Okay, they were plucking flowers. So how we will change into negative? How we will change into negative? They were not plucking flowers. So here will be they were. Then again we use this. They were not plucking flowers. Okay. So I hope past continuous tense and present continuous tense it is clear. Okay. So this is the structure of past continuous tense I told you, and the present what we were doing. In the present is, am, are, and rest will be the same. Okay. So first example I have written of this, and here is, am. Okay, let me write it. It's mean. Is, am, are, was, were, then not, verb ing form, okay, and object. Clear? So in present continuous tense we use is, am, are, not, ing form of verb, object. In past continuous tense we use was, were, and rest will be the same. Okay. So I hope this topic is clear now. I hope you understood this topic. Okay. Now you revise your lessons, and whatever I taught you, revise it time to time and complete your notes. Clear? Same topic I will continue in the next video. Okay. Till then, thank you. Have a nice day.